I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, I hope you're ready because today we are diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 Cadillac motorhome. And let me tell you, Cadillac has really turned heads with this one. Whether you're a die-hard RV fan, a weekend road trip warrior, or someone who just loves a taste of luxury on wheels, this new Cadillac is something you are going to want to know about. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's take a ride into the future of motorhomes. Now, first things first, let's talk about the design because Cadillac didn't just make a motorhome, they made a statement. The moment you see it rolling down the road, you can't help but notice its sleek, almost futuristic silhouette. It's got that unmistakable Cadillac touch with a refined, aerodynamic body that feels more like a luxury sedan stretched into a full-sized motorhome than the traditional boxy RV look we're used to. The front fascia has that bold, polished grille paired with ultra-modern LED headlights, giving it this presence that says, yes, I'm here, and I mean business. One of the coolest things about this 2026 model is the attention to detail in the exterior. Cadillac has really thought about both aesthetics and functionality. You'll notice subtle curves along the sides that not only make it look elegant but also improve airflow and stability when you're cruising down the highway. The windows are panoramic, which is something I personally love, because when you're out in nature or driving through stunning landscapes, having that unobstructed view is just priceless. And speaking of views, the retractable awnings and sleek slide-outs aren't just for show. They expand your living space dramatically, turning your parking spot into a little oasis wherever you go. Alright, now let's talk performance because Cadillac isn't just resting on looks here, they've gone full throttle on technology. The 2026 motorhome is introducing a hybrid engine system, which is absolutely a game changer. I know, motorhomes and hybrid tech, but hear me out. This system combines a traditional combustion engine with electric power, giving you incredible fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Imagine driving a vehicle this massive and still feeling smooth, quiet, and surprisingly nimble. You get instant torque from the electric motor, which is perfect for those sudden highway merges or even climbing hilly terrain. And yes, Cadillac promises that this hybrid setup is smart enough to handle longer trips without needing constant stops at charging stations, making it perfect for road trips or full-time RV living. But here's where things get really fun: off-road capability. Most luxury motorhomes don't even think about off-road adventures, but Cadillac has changed that. This 2026 model comes equipped with an adaptive all-wheel drive system and reinforced suspension. So whether you're gliding through mountain passes, exploring desert trails, or cruising along coastal roads, this motorhome can handle it with confidence. The ground clearance is higher than past models, and the tires, oh, they're built to grip and conquer a variety of surfaces, so you're not limited to just the highway. It's like bringing your own little luxury fortress to the wilderness. Now, step inside and you'll see why Cadillac really deserves the luxury badge here. If you've ever been inside a motorhome before and thought, this could use a little sparkle, you are in for a treat. Cadillac has completely reimagined the interior. Picture this: open concept living spaces with modern, minimalist furniture that doesn't compromise on comfort. High-quality materials everywhere, from plush leather seating to sustainable wood finishes, make it feel less like a mobile vehicle and more like a 5-star. Suite on wheels. Lighting is another area where they went above and beyond. The 2026 Cadillac motorhome features customizable ambient lighting, so whether you're looking for a cozy evening glow or bright daylight vibes for a game night, you can set the mood effortlessly. And yes, they've thought about tech, lots of tech. There's a fully integrated infotainment system with touchscreen controls, smart home connectivity, and voice command capabilities. You can control your lights, temperature, security cameras, even your kitchen appliances right from the main console or your smartphone. Speaking of the kitchen, Cadillac really knows how to bring luxury into everyday living. Imagine a full-size fridge, induction cooktops, a built-in oven, and plenty of counter space that actually feels like a proper kitchen rather than a cramped RV version. And don't get me started on storage. Every drawer, cabinet, and compartment has been intelligently designed to maximize space without feeling cluttered. Oh, and for those who love entertaining, there's even a dining area that converts into a lounge space, making it perfect for meals, games, or just chilling with friends and family. The bedroom and bathroom setups are just as impressive. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, high-end linens, and even built-in massage features in some models. The bathrooms have been upgraded with modern fixtures, spacious showers, and even eco-friendly water systems. It's this level of attention that really makes you feel like you're stepping into a home, not just a motorhome. Now let's talk numbers because yes, for many of us, price matters, but hear this, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome is surprisingly competitive for what you're getting. While exact pricing may vary depending on trims and optional packages, Cadillac has made sure that even their base model offers a premium experience without feeling like it's breaking the bank. Compared to past models, you're getting more technology, more luxury, more efficiency, and even better off-road capability for a price that's right in line with other high-end motorhomes. So, while it's definitely an investment, it's one that feels worth every penny for anyone serious about luxury road living. And here's an interesting comparison point. If you've followed Cadillac's past motorhomes or luxury RVs from other brands, you'll notice that the 2026 version represents a big leap forward. Earlier models were beautiful and well-appointed but often lacked the performance tech or the hybrid efficiency we're seeing here. It's as if Cadillac took all the lessons from previous years, listened to customer feedback, and went, okay, let's make this the ultimate luxury motorhome experience. And honestly, they nailed it. Another feature I have to mention is the smart safety and driver assistance tech. Cadillac has really embraced modern automotive safety features and adapted them for the motorhome experience. We're talking lane keeping assist, collision warnings, adaptive cruise control, and even a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this massive vehicle feel much less intimidating. Plus, the hybrid system isn't just about efficiency, it also adds regenerative braking and energy management that gives you smoother, more controlled handling, especially on tricky terrain. Now, for those of us who love a good road trip, Cadillac has also integrated connectivity features that make life on the road easier. Wi-Fi hotspots, USB-C charging ports everywhere, and even satellite TV options mean you can stay connected or entertained no matter where you park. And thanks to smart energy management, you're not constantly worrying about draining your batteries or running out of power during your adventures. I also have to mention the versatility of this motorhome. Unlike some luxury RVs that feel a bit rigid in their design, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome is surprisingly adaptable. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip, a weekend getaway to the mountains, or even living full-time on the road, this vehicle can adjust to your lifestyle. Storage spaces are clever, slide-outs expand your living area when stationary, and every aspect of the interior is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. One thing I personally love is how Cadillac has managed to combine all this luxury and performance without feeling overwhelming. Sometimes luxury motorhomes can feel overstuffed with gadgets or design gimmicks, but the 2026 Cadillac motorhome feels cohesive, intuitive, and genuinely enjoyable to use. It's one of those rare vehicles where everything just works together: style, technology, comfort, and capability. And let's not forget, owning a Cadillac motorhome is also about the brand experience. Cadillac has always stood for sophistication, innovation, and class, and they've managed to translate that into a mobile experience. Driving this motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey itself. Every detail, from the smooth hybrid engine to the plush seating, is crafted to make every mile memorable. So, to wrap this up, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome isn't just another RV, it's a bold statement in the world of luxury motorhomes. Sleek design, hybrid power, off-road capability, sumptuous interiors, smart technology, and competitive pricing all come together to create something really special. Compared to past models, it's a giant leap forward, showing that Cadillac isn't just resting on its laurels, they're redefining what a motorhome can be. If you're someone who loves exploring in style, wants to experience the road in comfort, and isn't willing to compromise on performance or luxury, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome is calling your name. It's elegant, powerful, and versatile, basically the dream vehicle for modern road adventurers. I can honestly say, from what we've seen so far, Cadillac has set a new benchmark. The road ahead looks brighter and more luxurious than ever, and I, for one, cannot wait to see these on highways and off-road trails alike. Alright friends, that's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Cadillac motorhome. I hope you're as excited as I am because this is a big leap for luxury travel. If you love this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you won't miss any updates on the newest, coolest rides hitting the road. And as always, let me know in the comments what you think about Cadillac's latest masterpiece. Would you take one on a cross-country adventure? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep exploring, and remember, the road is yours to conquer. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.